In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide AnyDesk in the taskbar using a simple Windows desktop trick that makes it look much cleaner while you're working. This is a quick and easy method, and it's especially useful if you want to keep AnyDesk open without having it visible on your main screen all the time. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Task View on your Windows computer. You can usually do this by clicking the Task View button on the taskbar or by using the keyboard shortcut if you have it enabled. Once Task View is open, you'll see your current desktop and any open windows. Now look at the top or side where your virtual desktops are shown and create a new desktop. This will be desktop 2. Adding a second desktop gives you a separate workspace, which is the key to making AnyDesk less visible on your main taskbar view. After desktop 2 is created, switch over to it so you can move the AnyDesk window there. If AnyDesk is already open on desktop 1, click and drag it into desktop 2 from Task View, or right-click it and choose the option to move it to the other desktop if that option appears. The goal here is to keep AnyDesk running but place it on the second desktop so it isn't sitting front and center on your main workspace. Once AnyDesk has been moved to desktop 2, go back to desktop 1. This is the desktop you'll use for your normal work, and now AnyDesk should no longer be in the way. When you return to desktop 1, you'll notice the taskbar effect you were looking for. AnyDesk is still open, but it feels hidden from your main view because it's now separated onto another desktop. This is a simple way to reduce clutter and keep your taskbar and screen looking much cleaner. If you ever want to access AnyDesk again, just open Task View and switch back to desktop 2. From there, you can move windows around, close the session, or bring it back to your main desktop whenever you need. So that's the easiest way to hide AnyDesk in the taskbar using Windows Desktop Management. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips, shortcuts, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.